Open recent. Level 1. Jay Walter, welcome in. The big brain. Okay, that didn't do what I was hoping it would do. Method and reuse data. Ironic. Do you happen to be around still? If not, no worries. But like, I changed all these already over in the library. Don't save. I mean, instead of using the asset browser, we could do it a different way that should. Yeah, Jeff Bezos, it's coming in. Yes, yes. Papa Bezos wants his revenue. Is it just this tree? I'm gonna take a quick break. I will be back very shortly, about 3 minutes or so, and we'll keep going on this. Right? I think if it's just what no, there's the seam. I see the seam. All right, I'll be back. All right, back we are. It took a little bit longer. I had to run to the bathroom. Oh, insomnia is a hell of a thing, right? Okay. Still, it's not. Okay, okay, we'll do it. We'll do it a different way here then. We can get around this. Sure, we can. Right. We're changing mode. Okay, where the hell? Okay, well, it's time to get the Google on. Okay, there, that might be the. That might be the thing. Maybe. I don't know. Okay, so here's the problem. I am trying to save the UVs. Oh wow, somebody just having anger. Um, ID10, right on. I appreciate you. Right now, I'm just trying to figure out the fuck is going on with these, with this. All right. So here's what I got. Get rid of this that catalog. So I've got these trees. Right. Now let me try in a new file. Let's see. Save it. Okay. Now here, okay, the seam is saved. All right. Good, good, good. File, open recent level 1. No, don't save this. Get rid of that. We're going to get rid of those trees. Get rid of these trees. All of these trees. Get out of here. I'm going to refresh this. We're going to put this here. We're going to edit mode. And here, the UVs or the seams are not being saved. They're not being imported. They're not being shown. Why? The UV is incorrect. Again, why? Unless well, no, that wouldn't do it. It's just opened up another window. So, okay, let's current file. No items, no items, no active asset. Nope, nope. You get out of here. So I guess what I could do instead is to append this. I said append right? Now that has a seam. Great. That has a seam. Great. Not optimal, but it's better than whatever the hell is going on. Okay, so now we can put in our particle. Okay. Go. Look at from the top, and it looks like that matches. That adds up. We're going to do that. And now join them. I think I need to do it this way instead. This should. Please work. Please don't break. It's gonna break. I can tell it's gonna break, can't you? Oh, it didn't break. Okay, now we should be able to go over here. Gonna re-import. What the actual fuck? That is not right at all. Why the actual fuck did they? Oh shit! I know what I did. Never mind. Shush, 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 shush. Sorry. I'm an idiot. Okay, what setting is that? That's causing this. It's obvious. Obviously an LOD. At least that's what I'm thinking. Maybe it's not obviously that. But that's a feeling I'm getting. Oh god damn it! Why this? This is such a weird ass thing. Well, so that's part of it, but why? And I'll back it all up. But why is one of my asset library things getting all of the things? Like, okay, so right, and now we go here. Collection of trees, right? They are all real. There's no reason that tree one here should get all of the um should get all of them attached to it. Nope. Like, but this, for some reason, it just did. Is it because of the naming? That's what I'm having a hard time grasping is why is this getting updated with everything here? I don't get it. I don't, it shouldn't be like that. This is only on this collection or on this plane, right? There's nothing there. See that modifier right there, right? Make instances real. Okay, let's save it at this step. Doing that, joining those. Gotta be something with the way that they're linked. Is there any reason that I couldn't just get rid of these now? Hold on 1 second. Sorry, had a phone call, didn't recognize the number. I was really hoping that it was good news. It was not. It was bad news. Okay, so this seems like a workaround, but I want to know what the actual issue is. Okay, but while I'm at it with this, 72. Go. Okay, I got that. What the hell have I done here? I just love it when absolutely everything goes to shit. Right now, everything is going to shit. They shouldn't be. I mean, I get it that they're doing LODs, but it shouldn't be like this. Where did I go wrong here? Project. The icon, I broke it hard. Also, how you doing, Icon 33? Good to see you. Okay, it is LOD bias. Now, granted, it's going to be dark. It's going to be really dark. So it might not even be an issue. It's probably not going to be an issue, but I still want to know what the hell. Um, I think we're good there. Great, great, great. Jay Morris 252, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Hope you're having a good day. Glad that you're here. Okay, so he's got plenty of pathfinding here. I might go back. I might need to change some of the weight painting, which is the nice thing about doing it this way, is we can look here. We can see that there's a trail, but there's still a lot of trees in there. So what we'll do is look at the same part here. Oh, fucking duck. That isn't going to work. No, I need to make it better beforehand. God, I'm so bad at this. That's going to be on my tombstone. Guarantee it. Oh, God, I'm so bad at this. Let's... Icon, if that were the case, I'd be employed right now. But thank you. I appreciate the kindness. I wouldn't be begging for money on Twitch, saying, hey, I'm going to make a game. I'm asking y'all to invest in my game before it's even a thing. So that I can continue working on game. Let's just lower the interiors here a little bit. Oh, nope, not that much. There we go. There we go. That's much gooder. Much, much gooder. I don't think I like the fall off. Now what I'm doing here is I don't want any places where our bear can't walk around, where he can't get to you. That would be very bad if I mean there are gonna be places like that. But like on the main paths is what I mean. Where if there are too many trees together, then he's not gonna be able to walk in between. We don't want that. Double base V2. I'll save it at this point as a copy. Make instance is real. Damn it, it did it again. Import. Hmm. Let's get that static body. Ikimas, what is up? Welcome in. Ikimas777, appreciate you being here. How you doing? Why not? I wanted to learn a game engine. I'm a fan of open source software. The two just kind of went together. Okay, so there's trees here. It'll give our player a better chance to get around, right? Think. In fact, let's make it not quite as simple here. Let's bake the nav mesh here. Okay, we're going to give our bear a lot more room. Oh, no, 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 no. 2.5. That's what I wanted. All right, ads are starting up. Folks, I'm going to take a quick break. I'll be back in about 3 minutes. Okay, back. All right, so I want to put camera on Sooty. We're gonna make this the current camera. Gonna turn off the clear character camera for now. Save. Put it there. And then let's just see. See through the eyes of the bear. Okay, we turned off aggroed, so he should be going to a random waypoint now. So let's just watch him. Trees don't look bad. Gonna need to add some, sprinkle in some grass and shit, so it doesn't look too plain. Okay, right past that, no problem. Okay, good. So now he's moving on to another waypoint. Great. Let's just see through the eyes of Sooty here. Can't see shit. Can't see a damn thing. If we turn on is aggroed, Oh, he should. Oh, that's not good. Okay, so aggroed. Hey, Sam the Dev, welcome back. All right, so that's going to be the next mechanic is it should be if is aggroed, then he automatically goes towards the player. That might we might need to do something in um the target item. So let's see if I can change that. I don't think so. So just by changing it in here is not changing or not sending the signal that we'd get otherwise. Turn off is aggroed, and let's just make sure that when he hits this waypoint, he goes to the next one. I'm a bear, I'm a bear, I'm a bear, I'm a bear. Tree textures don't look bad, especially with how dark it's going to be. I do feel like we need some grass or bushes. I think I just said that. Awesome. Look at that amazing pathfinding. Look at that. Okay, we can close them down there. All right, hide that camera. It is not current. I'm gonna go to player character and make sure that this one is the current. This is such a weird bug that where everything is showing up in every scene. Somebody was mentioning this last night. A new friend or a new Godot streamer. Well, maybe not new, but somebody that I just found last night, and I can't remember. Dead slap. Let's do a Yeah, let's see. Let's not save it. Anomaly Station, welcome back in again. Roar, roar, roar. I'm sorry, arar. Click save there. All right, so I've been seeing all of this shit here. I don't like it. Um, all these errors. And these have to be coming from something within one of the scene files or something. So we're gonna try project city from the inside. Call is coming from inside the house. Here it is. Okay, force one. Hey. Now where is this one? What's the location? It says textures. All right. Anomaly station. I'd say yes, but you know, I don't want to. Oh, but you know, I think that's kind of potentially ableist of me because I don't want to assume that people know the same amount as I do or that everybody's at the same level that I am. I also don't want to assume that I am better than anybody. For me, it was easy to pick up because the syntax, although it at least with GD script, syntax felt a lot like JavaScript with some Python flavors. So that was a really nice thing. Um, and from what I understand, it almost feels kind of C plus plus, C sharpish, without all the having to know C sharp and all that. Um, because from what I've heard, JavaScript is similar in some aspects to the C languages. Just easier to say C languages than C plus plus, C sharp, C and a half, C flat, C and a. Ooh, allow me to hold on. Let me take this off. Put back on. This is not my pedantic hat. Java is not JavaScript. They are extremely different. I know what you meant, but some people might get very, very upset. But React is a JavaScript library or framework. Hell, I don't know what they're calling themselves right now. But okay, let's see in here. No worries, no worries. Okay, that should solve some of those issues. Hey, Alex Ranger, welcome in. Did they call it a framework now? Just for I know they bounce back and forth. Nope, nope. Now it is a library. I don't know so much about C plus singular. C plus plus is extremely well used now, or it's used quite a bit. C sharp definitely. Alex Ranger, I wouldn't be surprised if they have a randomizer and just every 24 hours reset it to library framework something else. Anomaly Station C sharp is for Unreal and Unity. Actually, I could be wrong there. I could be mistaken. I think that C sharp for both of them. Yeah, you're right. C++ is Unreal Engine, which probably is the reason that um people use blueprints and visual scripting quite a bit. Okay, so that helped out a ton with performance. Like a ton by right on. Excuse me. So there is, although I don't really know how to use it too well. Um, because I just code, which is not to say that visual scripting is a bad thing. It is in my opinion, it's a form of coding, and people who use it are still learning shit, which is amazing. Um, let me save this and then project Create a project list. Somebody, some brilliant person, I'm not saying that facetiously. I mean, they have to be fucking geniuses to have come up with this. It is, but a lot of people don't know how to code, and it's a good way to start learning. I mean, JavaScript, jQuery, um, those are slower than other things, but by doing it, you're kind of learning. Scratch is a great example. Um, it's visual coding, and by getting the ideas, the core ideas of, oh, this is what a loop does, and being able to visualize it and see, that helps a lot of people learn. So with this, somebody, ooh, hold on. Somebody built visual scripting within Godot, which, you know, behold the power of open source. I don't know because it's not something that I have ever. See that. Um, According to the description, you can build all the things, but got an orchestrator for that. Not that it doesn't really have a like a valid. Well, it might, but I'm just not seeing it. A valid test demo. I was looking at this scene. Got GD script, but right on. Very cool. I would like to see like a demo thing of it, and I'm sure that we could. Let's see. Oh, that's rough. Other node, sprite 2D. Yeah, it looks very simple to get a hang of, or at least start with. And I use visual scripting for shaders and Blender stuff because it just works. Hashtag or PM, copyright, trademark. For the init event, then I think yeah, Godot is doing great things. Its greatest strength, in my opinion, and this is just me, as being somebody who's only been playing with it for a couple months and actually getting hardcore with it for about a month and a half. Um, its greatest strength is also its greatest weakness. The entire engine. Hey, this is a weird thing too. Godot is built with Godot. Um, I'll say it again because I still don't believe it when I say it out loud. But Godot is built with Godot. The Godot engine, the Godot UI. Oh, here comes Frozair.
Hey, insert rating streamer's name here. Thank you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Raiders, 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 taking a step, just got some Raiders. Raiders, taking a step, just got some Raiders. You raided me, thank you. You raided me, thank you. Raiders, 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 taking a step, just got some Raiders.
Frozair, thank you for the follow. Yes, Claw member. For those of you who don't know, I am also a member of the Claw, the greatest stream team on Twitch. Some amazing people. Frozair, what were you doing? What were you working on? Why am I not following you already? Thank you. I made it myself. AI generated logo? Oh, that's a clip. Whoops. Oh, AI generated images make me smile. NaNoWriMus, welcome in. I don't have any magic at all. Unless you consider curling into making my self-esteem disappear. Magic. If that's a magic you want to see, have I got a trick for you? welcome in. Thank you for the raid. Raiders who don't know me, welcome in. Feel free to drop a follow, drop a sub, don't drop any babies. Well, unless they're really asshole babies. But that's up to you. Um, and friendly reminder, Alicia is fake. Alicia is an AI. Um, Alicia is an idiot. So for those of you who don't know me, I'm JD. I am a web developer ordinarily. I lost my job in April. Since then, I've been sending out several resumes a day. And streaming almost every day. Normally I do PHP, Drupal, web development type stuff, some JavaScript, some React. But in the time that I've been off, I've decided to learn some new stuff, and I've been using Godot and learning quite a bit with that. So the current project that I'm working on is a game about an angry bear who really, really, really doesn't like people starting fires in his forest. It may sound similar to a mascot in the US. Hey, Frozair, thank you. Nano, this one is in 3D, but it's a simple 3D game. It is inspired by Five Nights at Freddy's, Slender Man, Baldi's Basics, and the like. Let me get in and I will show you just a quick. Okay, make sure we got him aggroed. No? Yes, Godot. And I use GDScript. Yes. Yes. Hey, I need to add a new rule to my chat. Like, right below, never say an unkind word about Jeff Goldblum is, and it should be no language shaming at all. My opinion is use what works for you, what works for the task. I'm not dead set on using anything. For me, when I first started learning or wanting to learn game design or game development, it was right when Unity took their foot, stepped in a pile of dog shit, wrapped it up in cat litter, then rolled around in a giant pile of cow shit, stuck that foot way in their mouth so far that it came out their own ass with their own shit. Um, and that was around October, late September of last year. So I wanted to learn game dev. Unity was obviously not a choice, and I love open source software. So I went with Godot. Also, Humble Bundle had a really good Godot, Learn Godot bundle at the time because they know how to market their shit. Um, and I've come to enjoy it quite a bit. Oh, I gotcha, Kakajiro. Somebody yesterday in another stream was like doubling down on hating languages. I'm just like, I can't deal with this. I have enough fucking stress in my life. I don't have the energy to argue with somebody about why to use or not use certain languages, or why X language is quote unquote dead and will never be used again, or Y language is going to replace everything ever. In fact, hey Frozer, thank you again for the raid. Thank you for coming in. I appreciate you. I appreciate you being part of the claw. And I hope you have a good piano recital. Which reminds me, next week, I'm celebrating my 1 year affiliate anniversary next weekend. And part of that celebration, I'm going to be doing a music stream playing some saxophone. Kakajiro, JavaScript, I don't think the language is bad. I think the dedication to libraries and frameworks that some people have is bad. How there's so much infighting between React, Vue, Next, or even though Next is um all the things. It's JavaScript, but so many people are like, oh, you use Vue, go fuck yourself. Or you use React. React is the worst thing to ever happen. Angular? Angular? Do you hate yourself? Who hurt you? Tell me. Show me on the doll where they touched you. Why do you use Angular? Rajarshi? Yes. I think I've seen that. No, like I said, I use the tool that works for you. If the only tool you have is a hammer, everything eventually starts looking like a nail. All right, so back to my game here. Let's turn out the lights. Ooh, we're gonna make it spooky. I do need to turn out the debug as well. Is it on the nav agent or? So he should be aggroed towards us. He should be. So the whole game is you play the part of a camper who went a little bit too far into the woods, and you ended up in an area of the woods known as Sooty's Rest. So you set up your fire. I'm just going to put like, yeah, I'm going to put a collision zone around here so that we can't walk into it. So you set up your fire, get ready to camp for the night, and then you hear a roar. What the fuck, man? What the fuck? And it is a bear. It's a bear who really, really, really hates fires. What are you going to do? You're going to find your way out of the woods. How are you going to do it? Hopefully very quickly. But it's dark. The bear. Where is he? Oh, I think I saw him. Oh, that's him over there. The bear hates fires. So he's going to come put out the fire. But it's so dark. How are you going to see? You're going to have to light a match to see. Just this much in front of you. You're going to have to find other campsites and light fires. You're going to have to look for the trail. You're going to have to watch out for the eyes. The teeth. Because Sooty's gonna get you. And if he gets you, you're dead. Let's save that. I think that'll save it. And let's save that as well. So that he comes in a little bit quicker. All right, and we can rebake this nav region. So it's inspired, heavily inspired from the U.S. National Park Service fire prevention mascot Smokey the Bear, who does a lot of only you can prevent forest fires type stuff. But this is a twist on what if he just finally lost his shit? One too many fires put out, or one too many fires started in his forests. One too many bunnies burnt. One too many squirrels singed. One too many turtles torched. I'm running out of alliterative animals and synonyms for fire. But he got angry, decided, you're all gonna die. You start a fire in my woods, you're dead. So, looking at the map here, let's can I let's turn it off for now and turn on the lights. So the way it's going to work is each of these kind of open areas, actually I can go here and we'll get a better view. On each level, there's going to be several open areas that are going to be campsite areas. And at each of them, there will be a fire pit that you can use to start up a fire. Um, to help see. You can also use them as decoys to aggro the bear, have him come after the fire, and then run off in a different direction, hoping that you don't cross paths with him. In addition, it's so dark that the only way that you can really see is by lighting matches. And if you're within a certain range and you light a match, he'll automatically change his aggro from wherever he's wandering around or the existing fire to where you are. So I'm still working out the details of how we're going to direct players from their starting campsite to the exit-ish area, which is usually just going to be a national park bathroom, which is basically a glorified porta potty. And once you get there, it will get you to the next night. Pumpkinhead Live, welcome in. Good to see you. So what I've been working on mainly is just circle with a mole. Welcome in. If we can re-enable this. So we've got trees and grass and actually we don't have grass. I want to get grass in there. I want to have it looking better. Because I did a lot of work to get the meshes, the textures overlapping like that, rather than just the hard edges. But I think it looks a little bit plain. So maybe fill in some of these spots with like bushes, some grass, a lot of visual stuff. But I've been working mostly on the game mechanics themselves so far. Well, I've actually been working mostly on the level design because I keep running into different issues. I think we've solved most of them though. And with that being said, we are going to take fire range. Instead of that, we're going to change the type to a static body. I'm going to make sure that nobody walks into it. Oh, Godot is great, at least in my opinion. What? I don't know what the hell that's all about, and I don't really care at this point. Circle with the mole, very cool. So we're going to take this. Static is going to be the fire boundary. So we can't walk too close. Well, I think we should walk close-ish. Let's shrink it down to that. And also make it high enough that we can't walk into the fire. Neither us nor the bear. And I think we'll get rid of that collision shape. Can I have multiple? I think I could have multiple meshes. So yeah, we'll do cylinder. Right on. What kind of thingy is it? All right. Well, with that being said, I'll wait until probably after stream to look it up then, just because. Unfamiliar website name saying horror game or horror inspired thingy. I'm coming up on my anniversary here. I don't want to get banned right before. Okay, now that I have that, if I put the fire in the nav region here, I bake the nav mesh. Is this? That's unfortunate. There we go. Okay, great. So maybe, oh, there's a collision mask. Collision mask, JK? Collision mask. So I can add over on that. Well, main thing is the bear needs to get to the fire. That is a big thing. Um, let's make the nav mesh with a smaller radius. Okay, so we'll need even smaller, but that opens up a lot of opportunity for him to. Oh, circle with a mole, right on. Okay, that's a little bit better. That doesn't really make a difference there. One 1.5. Let's do 1.5 as a max climb. Still doesn't get us in there because of the radius around the fire.